Then, third update, yung bukas na.
Magkita-kita po tayo sa Mamani Festival 2024 sa City of Ilagan on May 6 during the
Okay, no?
Binibining
Bukas na
Ilagan
yun, May
Coronation
6.
Night to be held at the City of Ilagan Sports Complex.
Ilagan
See you
Sports
guys there
Complex.
at
Abangan si Alden
excited
dyan.
po kung makasama ko kayo. Happy Mamani Festival po sa City of Ilagan,
Mamani
Isabela.
Festival.
See you guys there. I was informed of the unfortunate and devastating incident about the St. Ferdinand Parish which was engulfed by fire last April 22, 2024 po. The church in the city of Ilagan, Isabela was under renovation when it was caught by fire, eventually destroying the 17th century proto-cathedral. In light of this, the St. Ferdinand Parish is conducting a fundraiser to rebuild the church po. So sa mga gusto pong magbahagi at tumulong, maaari po tayo mag-donate sa mga authorized partners ng parish o sa mismong parish bank accounts lamang po. Tulungan po nating makaahon ang ating mga kapatid sa City of Ilagan. Let's also include them in our prayers. Salamat po.
Yun. May maswerte pa ang binati ni Alden.
Good luck on the auditions. And you paint more because you're very good.
Pag-good luck pa si Alden. And during yung Vivo event sa SM Mega Mall for meet and greet ni Alden. Pinagkaguluhan dyan si Alden. Napapalibutan ng mga security. Dahil napunta mga fans ni Alden dyan eh. Full support kay Alden. Kasi ito pa yung ganap ni Alden nung Friday. Sa taping ng Pulang Araw. Sa post ni Mami Beth. Napapadalas dyan si Mami Beth. Kasi behind the scene na Cebuano Jubileo ni Alden. TV commercial. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more updates. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.